Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to share with you guys some of my most used and loved product that I have on my collection, and I wanted to share with you guys what I've been loving, what I had loved, and what I keep loving, because I have products here that I've been wearing them for a longest time. And let me start. So I'm going to start how I apply my makeup. So so the first thing that I have here that I love so much is this e.l.f. Poreless Putting Primer, which is this right here. I love this product so much because it made my makeup stay on all day, and besides it's super affordable. I believe this is $6 or $8 if I'm not wrong. Otherwise I will leave the prices somewhere in the video. But this leave your makeup looking flawless, beautiful, and it makes it last a long as time. You should go get it. For foundation, this is one of my most favorite and loved foundation I have in my entire collection. And the best part of it is, like, it's a drugstore foundation. I can't stop talking about this foundation. It's the Maybelline Jane Irvin cover, and I have mine in Sunbeam 310. I love this foundation so much. It's lightweight, full coverage. It lasts all day. I love it so much. It's my everyday foundation. I'm gonna go on with my favorite concealer. This, from my understanding, what I have heard, is a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and it's this one right here by L'Oreal. Let me just clean this a little bit. It's this concealer right here. It's not focusing. Focus. Hello? Are you there? Focus. Okay. It's not doing it for me. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage Concealer, and I love it a lot. It does the job pretty good. And the best part, like, the majority of the things that I have here, they are drugstore. And because I'm trying to transition from being a Sephora lover to a drugstore lover, so I'm trying to find good products that works for me and that is cheap and that can save me some money. But this is very good. I would really recommend it. You wanna get the shade tape, I would recommend you to get this one because it's cheaper, and for me they both work the same way. The only difference is just the name. For me, that's what I feel. Or translucent powder or baking powder, I have here the KK Beauty Bake Powder, and number one is this right here. This powder is phenomenal. I love it so much. Like, I don't have, like, since I got this, well, I got this a while back, but I never reached for it. And recently I started wearing this, and I'm like obsessed. I want to repurchase this once again. Like, I barely have any product left here. I don't think like, there's just a little bit of it, and I love it. Like, I can't wait. Like, I had to go and buy this once again. It leaves my under eye feeling and looking so smooth. It just does the work. It works the way it's supposed to work. I found a drugstore product that is really affordable, and this is what I have on my brows right now, and it's this Milani Stay Put Brow Color. It's this one right here. My camera's about to die. Why? Let me just hurry up. So this, I have it in the color brunette, and it's beautiful. It's amazing. It works exactly, it's like a pomade, the same way as the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and it's very good. It makes my brow looks nice and they stay on. I like their favorite blush is by Wet n Wild, the color Icon and Mellow Wine. This one right here. And I can't stop using this blush. I love it so much. I'm really not a blush lover, but if I had to apply blush, it would be this right here. I always confuse the blush and brush situation. Then for contour, it's another Wet n Wild product. I have here the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche, which is this right here. As you can see, I'm already heating pan. I've used this all the time. This is my second of how much I love this thing, and the best of it, it's affordable, very cheap. Then for bronzer, I have this Fenty Beauty Iceland Thin bronzer. I love this so much too. Like this bronzer, I don't know what to say about it. I just love it. Like out of all the bronzers that I have, this is the one that makes my skin look like I went to the beach and came back recently. Palette that I love a lot. This is my latest purchase. Like this is the last thing I bought before the year of 2019 ended. And for this year, I haven't purchased no makeup at all, and I can't stop using the Carli Bybel and Anastasia palette. This palette is so beautiful. You can do so many different looks with this palette. I love it so much because it has your everyday, your going out. You could do anything with this palette. It could be anything you want. Here you don't need to have to take any other palette to be able to create multiple looks with this palette. Then I'm gonna go on with highlight. Oh god, this highlight, I had this since Anastasia and Narisi released the first one. I bought this during that time, and since that time I haven't stopped. This is my go-to highlight. I have a lot of highlights, but I can start using this one. It's my favorite highlight. I don't know, I just love how it looks on me. It's beautiful. I just love it so much. This is my favorite highlight. Then now I'm gonna go and tell you two of my favorite. The only lipstick that I have here is the L'Oreal Infallible Sweet 2 right here. It's my favorite because lately I've been loving the nude lipsticks. So when I have any darker lipstick, I just put this in the center of my lip and it makes it lighter. So I use this I've used this to brighten my lipsticks. My favorite lip gloss right now that I can't stop using is the Iris Couture Uncensored Lip Gloss. This one is beautiful. I think these two, the color are very similar, but the consistency and the quality is totally different. Like they are not alike in no way, shape, or form. So it's the Iris Couture Uncensored Lip Gloss. It's my second favorite because my first favorite is this one by Morphe, Free Bird. This one right here. I love this lip gloss. Then the last thing that I have here is this Milani Make It Last setting spray. I love this setting spray. Look, I bought this, I would say, not too long ago, and I'm almost about to finish the bottle. I love it. It makes my makeup like stay there, and also it smells so good. It smells like perfume. And oh, I was about to forget my favorite lip liner that this is the third one that I have because I keep misplacing the lip liner, and I will go and buy another one and I will find it the next day that I bought this one. So this one is by NYX Lip Pencil in the color brown. Oh my god, it goes so well with the nude lipstick. I'm like obsessed now with nude lipsticks. I can start wearing nude lipsticks. So now this brown color combined with the nude lipstick looks poppin', looks amazing. It's this and the lip gloss plus any nude lipstick combined, the perfect lip combination. Okay guys, so this is all I have to show you. These are my favorite products that I can live without, that I cannot live without this product. These are my favorite products that I've been using constantly lately that I can stop wearing. I hope you like this video. And another video, don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see more videos of me. Also, leave me a comment. And yeah, I think I talked so fast that I don't think you guys understood anything I just said, because I was like, I think it's this coffee. So yeah, bye.